Women's empowerment is about freedom. It's about giving women the power to make their own choices. Women should have the same opportunities as men. They should be free to pursue their dreams. Empowerment means removing barriers. It means creating a world where women can thrive. Empowerment is about equality. It means treating women fairly in all areas of life. This includes education, work, and leadership roles. When women are empowered, they can contribute their talents to the fullest. They help build stronger families and communities. Women deserve respect and dignity. Their voices should be heard. Their contributions should be valued. Empowerment is not just a women's issue. It's a human issue. History is full of amazing women. They fought for their rights and inspired others. Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat on a bus. This brave act sparked the civil rights movement. Marie Curie was a brilliant scientist. She made groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity. Curie faced many challenges as a woman in science, but she never gave up on her passion. Malala Yousafzai is a young activist. She bravely spoke out for girls' education. Even after being attacked, Malala continues to fight for what she believes in. These women are just a few examples of empowerment in action. When women are empowered, everyone benefits. Societies become more prosperous and peaceful. Studies show that countries with greater gender equality have stronger economies. When women have access to education, they raise healthier families. They contribute to the workforce and drive innovation. Empowering women reduces poverty. It promotes peace and stability. It creates a more just and equitable world. When women are empowered, they become agents of change. They inspire future generations to fight for equality. We need women at all levels, including the top, to change the dynamic, reshape the conversation, to make sure women's voices are heard and heeded, not overlooked and ignored. Sheryl Sandberg. Let's work together to empower women everywhere. We can support organizations that promote women's rights. We can challenge gender stereotypes and discrimination. We can raise our voices and demand equality for all. Every single one of us can make a difference. Let's create a world where every woman has the opportunity to reach her full potential.